Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the primary PSN account on the Ps5 you plan to share from. This is essential because console sharing ties licenses to that machine. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is active and you have the email and password available. Security matters. You should also create or confirm the secondary person has a local user or child PSN account on that Ps5 because you will grant access to games and subscriptions to that local profile. Now enable the key feature. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts Other, then Console Sharing and Offline Play. You must activate console sharing while logged into the primary account on that Ps5. This designates that console as the shared library host. Once done, sign out the primary account. Do it deliberately, because local users on that machine will now be able to play purchased games and use active subscriptions without needing to sign in each time. Finish by testing access. Sign into a separate local user and launch a purchased game or PlayStation Plus feature to confirm it works. If the game won't start, make sure the host account's console sharing remained active and that the Ps5 has a stable internet connection for license verification. If you've reached device limits, go to the primary account's console list and deactivate other consoles, then re-enable console sharing here. That single deactivation step fixes most sharing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.